Hello everyone, here I am Professor Hulgunde from the Department of Agronomy, KK College of Agriculture, Nashik. In today's session of course number AGH-111, course title Agriculture Heritage, the topic we will discuss is Introduction of Indian Agriculture Heritage, Need and Importance for Studying Agriculture Heritage. As the course title is agriculture heritage, we should discuss about what is agriculture and what is heritage. Then, what is agriculture? Agriculture is nothing but an art, science, and business of crop production and livestock management for economic purposes. Agriculture is a Latin word, agar that means field and cultura that is cultivation. In general, cultivation of soil is called as an agriculture. Second one is heritage. The word heritage means the values carried from one generation to other generation. Then, next one is what is Indian agriculture heritage? Agricultural heritage refers to the values and traditional practices adopted in ancient India which are more relevant for present day system. Introduction for this topic. As a citizen of India, we must feel about our rich cultural heritage. Agricultural heritage in India is unique than any other civilization. Agriculture in India is not of recent origin but has a long history dating back to Neolithic age of 7500 to 4000 BC. It has changed the lifestyle of early man from nomadic hunter of wild berries and routes of cultivation of land. The traditional farmers have developed the nature-friendly farming system and practices such as mixed farming, crop rotation, etc. Great epics of ancient India convey the depth of knowledge possessed by the older generation of the farmers in India. Need for studying the agricultural heritage is sustainability is present need and future of agriculture. Agriculture is a way of life and not an occupation. To increase awareness among peoples regarding rich heritage of Indian agriculture, which is unique than other civilization. To create a sense of pride amongst the people, particularly agriculture students, as our agriculture has sustainable practices for generations. To build the future research strategies based on traditional technologies used in agriculture. Then what is the importance of Indian agricultural heritage? First one, agriculture is said to be the best culture and it has a lot of inherited sustainable practices passed from one generation to other. Second is agriculture in India is not an occupation, it is a way of life for many Indian populations. Hence the present day generation should be aware about that ancient and traditional agricultural systems and practices. Third one, this will enable us to build future research strategy also. India has made tremendous progress in agriculture and its allied fields, but the emphasis is on intensive use of inputs without considering their adverse impact of long-term basis has created several problems related to sustainability of agriculture. Fourth one, improper use of chemical fertilizer, insecticide and exploitation of natural resources threatening the agroecosystems, due to which soil is getting polluted and hence there is an increasing erosion of soil, plant, and animal genetic resources. Therefore, attention is now shifting to sustainable form of agriculture. Fifth one is the indigenous traditional knowledge provides insight into the sustainable agriculture because these innovations have been carried on from one generation to another as a family technology. Sixth one, there are several examples of valuable traditional technologies in India, but unfortunately, these small local systems are dying out. Seventh one, it is imperative that we collect, document, and analyze these technologies in India, but unfortunately, these small local systems are dying out. Once this is done, it will be easier for us to further refine and upgrade them by blending them with modern scientific technologies. The wisdom gains and practices adopted have been passed down through generations. The traditional farmers have developed the nature-friendly farming system and practices such as mixed farming, mixed cropping, crop rotation, etc. The modern society has been subject to a process of refinement through generation of experience. The ecological considerations shown by the traditional farmers' activities are nowadays reflected in the resurgence of organic agriculture. Here are some events which are happened in specific periods in ancient agriculture. We will see one by one. Earlier than 10,000 BC, that is before 10,000 Christian years, hunting and gathering was done by peoples. Then in 7500 BC, cultivation of crops like wheat and barley. 3400 BC, fields are invented. In 3000 BC, bronze used for making tools. In 2900 BC, plough was invented and irrigated farming was started. In 2300 BC, cultivation of chickpea, cotton and mustard. In 2200 BC, cultivation of rice was started. In 1500 BC, cultivation of sugarcane. In 1000 BC, use of iron flour. In 1500 AD, cultivation of orange, brinjal and pomegranate. In 1600 AD, introduction of several crops to India, that is tapioca, tomato, chilies, pineapple, groundnut, tobacco, rubber, America and cotton. Here are some abbreviations or short form are given. BC, that is before the common era or before the Christian era. CE, common era or Christian era, and this AD, Anno Domini, that is Christian era. This is our introduction, need and importance of Indian agriculture heritage. In next chapter we will discuss in detail also. So thank you for today.